Nothing over here.
Awesome. Doc would be proud.
Can't believe Spider-Man finally won. I know, but I remember when he was a punk kid and the boss used to hand him his ass on the regular.
I thought the boss killed him that one time.
Maybe he did. Lenny says there's more than one.
Who's there? Hey, who's that? Freeze! You should have stayed in bed.
Rule number 1. You do not want to be late with a shipment. Ever. Boss runs a tight ship. He does not like screw-ups. We had this guy once. He decided to stop off That was his last.
I'm in an ass-kicking mood! Oh, crap! Look out! You don't mess with the Kingpin and live! Don't let him web you! You asked for this! An ass-kicking move! Get down! Take him down! What the hell was that? He got him! Spider-Man, show him who he's messing with. No! I'll shut your mouth permanent! Got something for you! Smoke him! Got something for you! This'll shut your mouth! Can't take us all!
Uh-oh. More of them.
Whoa! How'd he do that? Baby. He's winding up! Hit him!
Tired of you.
Spider-Man, turns out we've busted 4 illegal firearms dealers within a 3-block radius of that site.
Gun running. Let's see what I can do to cut down the supply.
Get ready for some pain! Stay away from his work! You don't mess with the Kingpin and live! No! Have some of this! Mr. Fist is high! About that! Let him get you airborne!
Dang, looks like they called their buddies.
I'll get him for you. I'll shut your mouth permanent. What are we supposed to do against that?
Oh, hey, more guys. Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, buy some socks already.
You're fine. Man down. Chance in hell, buddy. Shoot him down. That Davey.
Oh, anyone want to surrender? No?
I can't reach him. You want some? Don't you dare hit me with... I'll get him for you. Get down here and fight like a man. He can't take us all. That's a cheap trick. Spread out.
Place is locked down, Captain. Actually, webbed down.
And someone finally reported shots fired, so I've got officers inbound. Good work. Fisk has more construction sites throughout the city, betting their fronts too. Keep an eye out, and report in if you see anything suspicious.